At Star Parivar Awards, live on the red carpet, and a man that needs no introduction whatsoever, it is Shivai Singh Oberoi, who joins me here. Nakul Mehta is here. And Nakul, I gotta say, first of all, your attire, wow, looks amazing.
Thank you.
Even the hair, everything, the shoes, check the shoes out, amazing. Is this Nakul or is it Shivai?
It's actually Nakul. I'm not dressed for the show. I'm not shooting today. So it's me. I have a wonderful designer, Shivani Shirali, who I give full liberty and freedom to do whatever she wants with me. So yeah, we have fun.
Yeah, because you were hosting today, right?
I was hosting. I was dancing, doing some reality segments. A lot of work happened today.
It has been absolutely non-stop for you. And you are a man that is in demand, I think, not just in India, but internationally. You know how your fame's like everywhere. I mean, everywhere you go. And it seems to be like everything you touch seems to turn to gold. So it's been successful for you.
I think I've just been very fortunate that I've picked the right projects, and the projects have sort of really worked with the audiences. I'm probably at the right place at the right time, or born in the correct year. So yeah, so I don't take any credit for it. I think it's just when you work on a show which really gets accepted by audiences, everybody benefits, and I've been lucky to be part of 2 such shows.
And Star Plus, the UK's #1 channel,
Yes,
Asian
it is.
channel.
It is.
You know, you're part of that. You're part of that success.
Yes.
How does that make you feel?
It feels wonderful to be able to contribute to a network, because I mean, eventually we're a small part of the entire array of shows which Star Plus produces. But to be the #1 show on the channel feels very good to contribute to their success, because they've contributed to mine. It's lovely. It's wonderful, Raj.
And next, you're going to tell me a little bit about what we can expect in terms of Ishqbaaz now, in terms of your character Shivai Singh Oberoi. I believe there's going to be a sweeter element that's going to be coming out soon.
So I'm having a lot of fun currently, because I get to play 2 guys, right? So I get to play Shivai Singh Oberoi and Mahi. And Mahi is someone who's diametrically opposite to what Shivai is. So as an artist, it's great, because you know, after a point doing the same thing every day kind of gets a little monotonous. So this gives me the freedom to do whatever I want. So there's a lot of room for learning, experimentation right now. I think where the show is heading, it's an interesting. We're nearly finishing a year now. The love story is blooming very beautifully, but they still haven't hit the next stage of accepting each other. They're at crossroads where Shivai is come out and accepted, but not wholeheartedly. So I think that'll happen soon.
So with lots more romance is kind, right?
Always, man. The show's called Ishqbaaz. I do shows that are romantic, so of course there'll be lots of romance.
Shivika, of course, you know, Shivika's incomplete without Anika.
Yeah.
Of course, she's around somewhere.
Anika's working. Yes.
She's non-stop. But how does it feel to be working with her?
Lovely. It's been a year I've been shooting with her. It's been wonderful. I think both of us have come from successful shows. She was doing a show called Kabul Hai. She did it for lesser time, but it's a popular show. People watched it. I did a show, Pyar Ka Dard, which all of us have watched and everyone's watched. So it feels great. She's very talented, and I think she does full justice to what she's meant to do. And we have a ball playing these roles together. Yeah? It's great fun hanging out with her.
And what else is great fun is you. You know that you're a wicked guy, you're a great guy, a lot of love from everyone. Yeah, Shivai. Shivai Singh Oberoi. See, I said it right, didn't I? Shivai Singh Oberoi. Can I say thank you so much for giving us so much entertainment, alright? I will see you on the sets.
I will,
soon.
man. Thank you for coming down and like gracing the Star Parivar Awards. This man's a big name on radio in London, I know that, in Leicester, but for taking out time and like hanging out with all of us.
Not about me.